Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to describe my morning routine. This topic is simple, but it is very powerful for English speaking practice because it uses daily vocabulary, time expressions, and natural sentence flow. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, understand, and improve your fluency. Now, let me start. My morning routine. I usually wake up early in the morning, around 5:30. I do not like to wake up late because it makes me feel lazy and rushed. When my alarm rings, I do not check my phone immediately. First, I sit on the bed for a few seconds and take a deep breath. This helps my mind feel calm and fresh. After that, I drink a glass of warm water. I believe this is good for digestion and overall health. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth properly. I wash my face with cold water because it helps me feel awake and energetic. Stretching and simple exercises. I am not a fitness expert, but I try to move my body every morning. Sometimes I do jumping, sometimes I stretch my arms and legs, and sometimes I just walk slowly. This routine takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but it makes a big difference in my mood. After exercising, I sit quietly for a few minutes. During this time, I think about my goals for the day. I ask myself what I need to do and what I should avoid wasting time on. This habit helps me stay focused and disciplined. Then I take a bath and get ready for the day. I wear clean and comfortable clothes because they affect my confidence. After that, I prepare my breakfast. My breakfast is usually simple and healthy. I do not like heavy food in the morning because it makes me sleepy. While eating breakfast, I avoid watching random videos. Instead, I listen to English audio or read something useful. Read a short article, and sometimes I practice speaking in front of the mirror. I talk about simple topics like my plans, my thoughts, or yesterday's activities. After breakfast, I sit at my study table. This is my most productive time of the day. My mind is fresh, and there is less noise around me. I use this time for studying, learning new skills, or creating content. I try to complete my most important work before noon. Overall, my morning routine helps me stay organized, motivated, and focused. It sets the tone for the rest of the day. If my morning is good, my entire day becomes better. So, this was my morning routine. You can use this script for daily English speaking practice. Try to read it aloud, slowly and clearly. You can also change some lines and make it your own. Consistency matters more than perfection. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next practice session.